Hi, it's Rob again, and I'm at the Baxi Solutions Academy here in Warwick. In this week's Training Tuesday, I'd like to talk to you about the line strainer. I'm going to show you how to remove it and also why you might want to look at cleaning it. So let's get cracking. So first things first, let's glove up. So where is the line strainer? The line strainer can be found inside the inlet control group assembly. Now what's it for? So it's to prevent any other components on the unvented cylinder getting choked up with debris. So in theory, it's like a little filter. Common issues with line strainers is they can block with debris, and the dead giveaway will be when your customer phones and they say that their hot water coming from their hot tap isn't as good as it used to be. Now, if you open the hot tap and it starts with a good flow and starts to diminish down, my first port of call would be to look at the line strainer. So let's take a look and see how we can access it. So we need to isolate the cold mains going to the cylinder. This would be the cold mains pipe coming in, and this would be the isolation valve. So we can turn it a quarter turn clockwise. So now no water should pass that point. We need to undo the inlet control group assembly. So for that, I will need a pair of grips. Take your grips and just gently start to slacken off the inlet control group assembly. And that should be kind of hand tight now. Now you might get a little bit of water come out on this. So it's always good to have a little magic bucket underneath or something like that. Here it comes. And here we have the line strainer. Now hopefully you'll be able to see that this one is actually choked up with a bit of debris. So that would have an impact on the flow rate coming out of the hot tap. So what you can do, you can grab a little toothbrush or a little wire brush, give it a good scrubbing. You can pop it back together like so. Stick it back into the brass housing. And to start with, if you just do it hand tight till you can't really go anymore, and then get your grips. And all we need to do is just pinch it in, like so. And then we can open up the cold mains to the cylinder. Now obviously, you'll start hearing the tap downstairs that you opened previously. So now you'll have to head downstairs, make sure there's a good flow coming out of the hot tap, close the hot tap off, and you fixed it. I hope you found that video useful. For more information on the training courses that we offer, feel free to contact your friendly local area sales manager or head over to baxi.co.uk/training. Thanks for watching.